So this is a girl and her dog. So they're walking into the kitchen so they can have their food, and now they're taking the dog. So she's taking her dog for a walk, and fireballs come down, and then it's like the end of the world, and it's her birthday, so she has to save Summer, and it's and then Poppy the troll comes in, and her head comes off, and then she melts, and then they turn into superheroes, and then they go on a beach, and then they live happily ever after. It's still going on. So they're taking the dog for a walk. She's putting her boots on. Poppy the troll's walking in. She's caught some fire, she melts. They're in deja vu, but fireballs come in. Patrick, the starfish, comes in. They turn into superheroes, and then the unicorn head sets on fire. We save the unicorn head, and then they live happily ever after. The end.